Hey, you got a minute?
Sure do. This is going to be a fantastic cache.
It looks like a good one. It takes 3 people. What are we gonna do? I don't know. It's 1 cache.
1 minute.
Cue the title.
Start the clock.
Go. We're here in front of a historic shell station in Issaquah, Washington. We just got to show you this cache. It is so cool, but it's not the historic shell station where we're at. It's behind. Come on, we had to show you. This is awesome.
So what you got to do is there's a button up here on this post and down here.
And the second person has to do the same thing here. I've got to push this button up here and the one down here with my foot. And then a third person has to push a button up here and then push down there with their foot. But the problem is,
there's only 2 of us.
so what we did was we flagged the bystander that was walking down the pathway there to be our third geocacher.
And it worked.
And it worked. It was awesome.
Got it.
Woo! And then the container is right there. That's awesome. And we got it in 3,
2.
1,
Done.
done. This one is so cool. We just had to show you and kind of explain how it worked. It's just so awesome. I was so thrilled. But we only had 2 people. And I'm like, what are we gonna do? I'm not giving up. I'm gonna try. First person said, no, can't help you. Second person just drove by. And the third person, yeah, sure, I'll help you. And we explained geocaching and we got it. That was a really cool cache.
That was a lot of fun and it was quite a challenge.
Yeah, especially like, what do we do? You need a third person. It's not like something close where you can just kind of fidget.
But it worked on the first go.
Yeah, it was awesome. Great cache.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?